I got a very good link for designing model deployment where we can get batch prediction.
Hello everyone. Yesterday I have started a series where I'm going to learn about data scientists. So yesterday I have shared how a data is injected into a data model. Data model is like where we are going to train those data model. For example, if you are created any data model, first step is to inject data into that. Yesterday I posted a video regarding this. Today I will show you how I'm going to learn to design deployment of that data model. I'm hoping that this video helps you to learn about data scientist, how you can become a data scientist, because I'm learning the same. And if you want to join me live, you can study with me every Saturday Sunday at 10 a.m. IST sharp. So let's start with this interesting video.
You need to identify the necessary frequency of scoring. A common scenario is that you are using a model to score new data, and there are various ways to generate or collect the data. New data can also be connected at different time level. For example, it is taking in temperature data from an internet of thing device every minute. So there is a transaction every time a customer buys a product from your web shop. So there are two type of use cases. One is you need the model to score the new data as soon as it comes, and you can schedule or trigger the model to score the new data that you have collected over the time. So this is the scenario which is showing here. So if you want to real or a batch prediction, doesn't necessarily depend on how far new data is collected. So decide on number of prediction. You can design either you need prediction of individually and batch. Also you need to consider the cost of compute. So yesterday also I have shown you what is the cost of compute you need to keep in mind whenever you are going to design any data model as a data scientist. So this is the same topic where we are going to discuss about the cost of compute. So guys, best part is that this site is providing you the exercise. So at the end of each topic they are giving you exercise so that you can review your answer, so that you get to check your knowledge after reading each topic. So let's start with the exercise of this design a deployment solution. Okay, so this is the exercise for which I was talking about. First you need to understand the problem, and then consider the requirement, and consider the frequency, consider the compute, consider the size. So these are three things that we need to keep in mind. That first we need to consider the frequency, then we need to consider the compute, and then we need to consider the size. Then we need to propose a solution. Okay, let us start with the knowledge check. So what type of prediction are needed by the mobile application? This one should be real-time prediction. And what kind of what is doing, let me doing with the second question is what kind of compute you should be used by the deployed model. So let me select with the VM, because as per my knowledge we can use VM in this scenario, but still let me check my answers. So sorry, I was doing wrong thing. First is the correct one, real time, but for container, because containers will be more cost effective solution, as we want the model to be available always and respond immediately. Okay, so next unit is the summary. So let me click on the summary part. Okay, so this is the summary. So what we have done in this module, first we identify how a model will be consumed and decide whether to deploy a model to a real-time or batch endpoint. So guys, I'm hoping that this session helps you to understand this topic, and I will come again with different topic of this data science series. So just comment whatever you feel. I will try to give answer all of your query, and see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning.